Hello, hello, hello. Grandma Prepper here. I am at my favorite Chinese restaurant again, Green Tea Kitchen. It is so far away from home. I actually did a video driving home from here the very last time that I got Chinese food. It is so yummy. So now that I've made us all hungry, oh, I can't wait to get home and eat. I am very excited about all of these giveaways that I'm doing. This week is first aid, and yeah, I have a bunch of stuff to throw in the box still. And I don't know, I just am so thankful to all of you and so grateful for joining me on my journey. And, it's gonna be a lot of fun this year coming up for me. I have some new things that I want to do and want to try, and I really want to bring you guys along for the ride. And of course, as you know, the cleaning and organizing and prepping is never ending, so you're going to see everything change again. And, I keep thinking, well, I'm going to change things, and, maybe this time it'll be just right, just perfect the way that I want it. And then I get new preps, and those preps make it so nothing works the way that I thought it would. Planning ahead is a little difficult in that respect. Typically, I'm good about planning ahead and making sure that I have everything that I need for, that particular task to be done. But when it comes to prepping, it just isn't. And I work so many hours that it is so difficult to prep throughout the week. Yes, I do go grocery shopping. Yes, I do prep shopping. And yes, I order a lot online. But as y'all know, I haven't been really doing a lot of that lately either, because I'm trying really hard to stick within a minimalistic budget so that I can get my debt paid off. Oh, that is challenging, let me tell you, because I saw a few things that I really, really, really wanted. And I'm like, oh, but do I need it? It's like, no, but I want it. And it used to be that I would just, oh, I want that. Okay, I'm going to buy that. I can't do that right now. I have got to get out from underneath of all of this debt. And when I say all of this debt, I've paid off over half my debt. And, but in my mind, I'm thinking in terms of all of it, what I had to start with, and then what I accrued more and paid, and then accrued more and then paid. I'm not playing that game anymore. I am sticking to my guns, and I am paying as much of my debt off as I can in the next year. That is my biggest goal. Pay off my debt, continue prepping. I am having a brand new furnace installed tomorrow. My furnace has given up the ghost for the most part. And there's a part that is not replaceable right now. It's over a month away. And I realized this morning that my furnace was not turning on again. So what the repairman did to jerry-rig it to keep us going till the new part came in did not work. And I'm going solar relatively soon. So my plan is to, convert everything that's gas to electric so that I can, get off the grid and use everything that I need to. And later on, I need to put in a heat pump. So that was an extra $600 to add a heat pump. So my total bill is like over $6,000. And that's with the permits being like $1,500. The electrician the heat pump that is not installed until later, but I'm including the cost of the heat pump in my figures. And then, and I'm replacing the full furnace, and they're removing all of the, I just got my food. I'm very happy. Now my car smells like Chinese food. And I'm hungry. So anyway, they're removing the all of the gas connections and capping the gas connections to my furnace. Now when my water heater goes out, I will be doing the same thing, but when that happens, we will be capping the gas at the street, so it will no longer be connected to my home. And then when my fireplace is replaced, it'll be connected to electric. And the reason that I'm getting so far away from gas is because at some point, because fracking is so bad for the environment, that there are going to be a lot of new restrictions on gas. And I don't want to be stuck using gas when those restrictions go in and the prices go up. And to be honest with you, I would rather be putting into the system rather than taking out of the system. It is what it is.